Morning. It's my first full day of hunting. And I'm tired as shit because I didn't sleep. I can find my toque. Super quiet, but Frank wasn't. But I can't see out my windows very well. So we're just waiting for our body heat to warm up the windows a little bit. And for some daylight, but we can open up the windows soon so we can hear the animals and the world come alive. Other than that plane that just is up above us. This is exciting.
Joey live. This is a conclusion of a full day's hunt. We're sitting in the back in the blind about 2.5 hours before sunset. How are you feeling?
I'm tired. That was a lot of walking. But it was great to see the property and to see the game trails and all that stuff. But we walked a lot. We're soaked. Like, soaked.
I know.
And that's just sweat, not from the wind being wet. But it's been a great day so far. Now we just end it by sitting here relaxing and possibly falling asleep.
Some people ask, what do you do in a box blind all day? Well, try to stay warm. Much better in a box blind than a tree stand. Drink tea. Eat muffins. And troll Facebook.
No, I don't troll Facebook.
Joanne plays crib.
I play solitaire.
Solitaire.
Oh, shut up. Some unknown creature down that corner. We don't know what it is. Some sort of weird beetle. It's very distracting when you're scared of bugs.
And of course, on a completely different day when Joanne wasn't with me, I started seeing game. On this day, the rain was coming down hard. It was relentless. I had 5 deer in the food plot at one time. I had a buck show himself by some trees, but I didn't get any video of him because I was just too focused on trying to get a shot at him. The buck never presented me with a really good shot, so I just let him go. Even though I had a doe license, as a rule, I don't shoot does with fawns, so I didn't shoot at the does either. While these deer grazed, I heard a gunshot, so I texted my buddy Tim, who was also hunting in the rain, a couple of kilometers from me. I said, "Did you hear that gunshot?" He said, "I should have. It was me." He said he couldn't find the deer on first look, so I said I was going to pack up my ATV and go to him to help him look. He knew I had deer in the field, and he didn't want to ruin my hunt. I told him I didn't care about that and packed up. It was raining extremely heavy, and we searched using a grid method for about an hour and finally found the deer less than 100 yards away in a direction he didn't think the deer went. You just never know. Tim couldn't have been more excited or happier when we found that deer, I'll tell you. Despite the rain, it was a fantastic day hunting. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.